Hey y'all, so ThredUp acknowledged their mistake. If you watched my last ThredUp unboxing, I opened a 25-piece ThredUp mixed clothing box, and we quickly found out during that unboxing they accidentally sent me the new H&M and Forever 21 box. If you're more interested in what happened with the emails that went back and forth between me and ThredUp, I'll include that at the end. Basically, ThredUp did acknowledge that they accidentally sent me the wrong box, so they sent me another one. So let's do another 25-piece unboxing. This is the $60 mixed clothing ThredUp box. Let's hope it's better than last time. This box is from Georgia. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I have been waiting a while to get this box. I paid the $60 like, what, 3 weeks ago? I hope this one is better. Let's open it. All right, here's a sneak peek. I see some fake fur. Maybe it's real fur. All right, here's my box. All right, let's just put this on the ground and unbox it. Okay, universal thread. One size fits most. And this is like a faux fur vest, and it does have pockets. It smells very, very perfumey. All right, that's not too bad. Maybe Plato's will take that. I guess I can sell it myself. Okay, here's a Talbot's Petite, size small. And this is just a floral sleeveless tank top. Let's see if it's silk. Nope, polyester. All right, that's okay. A lot of bread and butter so far. Let's hope they threw in something good. I didn't have anything good in my last one. A New Day, size large. Oh, you guys, I hope it's gonna get better. Okay, short sleeve, striped dress. And does it have pockets? It feels like it may. Let's see here. Nope, nope. All right. I was really hopeful for this one, y'all. Let's see. Okay, some leggings. I don't see an inside tag. Let's see if I can find a Lululemon symbol on the bottom. Nope. What are you? Are these no brand, like no name brand? Is there a Fabletics? They're like these skull floral leggings. No brand? I don't want to spend too much time looking at one piece. I have really looked these over. I can't find a brand, but they're like these skull, they're really cool, y'all. They're like these skull leggings. I'm gonna look these over even better after the video and see if I can find a brand. There's nothing on the inside. I don't see any logo on the outside. So they're cute. So I hope I can find a brand for those. All right, let's see what's in here. All right, this is Kari blue, size extra large. Black floral long sleeve. Okay. Not too impressive. Okay, here's something black. It looks like a skirt. Banana Republic factory. Size 2. It is a cute skirt. It has like this faux leather at the top, and it has the pleats going down. I think that'll sell. Maybe not for a lot, maybe 20 bucks. This is J. Crew. What is this? Is it wool or cashmere? It feels nice. Yeah, merino wool. Okay. And linen. That's what I'm feeling. Okay. J. Crew, size medium. This is nice. This is something I would pick up. It's kind of like a peach color. Really pretty. Hopefully there's I don't see any holes right off the bat. You got to be careful with linen. All right, that's not a bad piece. Just by looking in my box, I don't see anything spectacular, y'all. Okay, universal thread, size small, floral dress. Yeah, okay. It kind of has a tier at the bottom. It's like a maxi dress, and it has a tier. I mean, that's cute. I bought this box hoping for some really nice brands because the cost per good is a little high. So far, I haven't received anything spectacular. Sparkle and Fades, size large. And this looks like to be a cardigan. Is it linen? This feels like linen. It may not be, though. Yeah, just cotton and polyester. Okay, I love the color. What size large? I mean, it's cute. It does have pockets. It's like a duster cardigan. It's really long. It does have pockets. That's okay. All right, a new day. Y'all, be honest, I'm a little disappointed. It's like a teal dress with like a little peplum bottom, maybe midi length. All right. So far, this box I feel like is worse than my last one was. J. Crew Factory, stretch, size 8. These look like they're capri navy pants with a white stripe down them. I mean, that's okay. Joy Lab. This is Target. Just a sports bra. This looks like it's a bigger size. Let's see what size this is. Large. Man. Y'all, this box is a little disappointing, not gonna lie. Okay. Oh, finally. Okay, here's one good thing. Thank the Lord. Okay, I was about to say I was gonna be really upset if they didn't include at least like one thing that wasn't like bread and butter. Black bra. Lululemon, we love to see it. Okay, let's see. The size tag's ripped off. Let's see if I can find, you know, they like to hide these sizes in here. I'm always, every time I get Lululemon at the thrift store, I'm always looking all over for the sizes. Size 6. Okay, I'm happy about that. Let me make a pile of things that I'm like excited about. So here's my, my one thing I'm excited about, and here's my big pile that's just like, like this stuff, most of this is gonna go for like 15 bucks, so not great. Another A New Day. There's a lot of Target in here. I don't think, if the rest of this is Target, I don't think I'll ever purchase this box again. It has like, I don't know, some weird stretchy band with like this metallic. Honestly, these remind me of scrubs, to be honest with you. They're just like a pair of blue casual pants. All right, let's see what else. This looks like it's a jacket. What is this brand? Oh, Gap, okay. I saw this, I didn't know what that was. So this is Gap. Sorry, my husband's phone went off. Okay, Gap, zip up, probably Play-Dohs. I don't really have any interest in selling Gap. A New Day, y'all. I think we were all hoping for a better box, right? This one's not so great. I think I actually would have probably just preferred my last one. My last one at least had new tags, even though it was like all Forever 21. Okay, blue wide leg pants. I'm just not excited about it. Like, what is this? Aeropostale? An Aeropostale polo? Okay. Yeah. Not impressed with this box at all. Okay, this is a good one. This is a good one. I think, or am I thinking of Millie? Tibby, New York. I'll put on the screen if this is good or not. A maxi dress. So it looks like the front part is black. Or is it navy? Okay, yeah, it's black on this side. And then it looks more navy on this side. What is this design? Is it like a feather? Huh. Okay. Anyway, it's a maxi dress. Let's see what the fabric is. Y'all, I cannot find a fabric tag on this right now. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay. Well, I guess I'll put it in the okay pile. So far, I got two things I'm kind of excited about. 14th and Union. I think this is Nordstrom, like a Nordstrom rack. Extra small, just a pink polka dot shirt. It feels polyester. Let's see. Yeah, 100% polyester. I don't really pick up this brand very much. So yeah, not thrilled about it. What is this? Okay, this is Maeve. This ain't bad. And this looks like it's linen. Like a linen crop top maybe. Let's look at the fabric just to confirm. Yeah, 100% linen, Maeve. Okay, I'm excited about this. I mean, I don't think it'll go for a ton of money. Maybe 25. Maybe 25, size large. All right, we got 3 things that I'm kind of excited about. What is this? Okay, Target again. All in Motion. This is a boring tank top, which means my Play-Dohs will probably take it because they only take the most boring pieces from me. Okay, this is something sheer. Atmosphere, I've never heard of this. Looks like maybe it's a UK brand. And it is just a sheer, as you can see, black polka dot little top with like a little bit of a peplum at the bottom. I don't think this is going to be anything spectacular. A pair of dress pants, not excited to see these, and they are express. Okay, size 0, and I don't know what pattern this is. I thought it was houndstooth, but I don't think it is. All right, not excited about those. You guys, we're almost at the very bottom of the box. Let's see what this is. Loft Outlet Lounge. Size large. If I can show you the tag, there you go. I don't know, just a blue long sleeve top. I mean, it feels comfortable, but I mean, it's super basic. All right, here's the last thing in the box. Overall, you guys, I'm not terribly thrilled about this at all. I got one new item, and it's H&M. Yeah, okay. $19.99. Little, I mean, it's a cute skirt, but it's H&M. Okay. Well, that wasn't too terribly exciting. I was hoping, because they made such a mess up in my first box, that maybe I would get a great box this time. Maybe that Lululemon bra, I've sold those, you know, 40 to 50, so hopefully I can recoup most of my money with that bra. Also the Maeve, that's nice too. What else did I pick? Is it just, oh, and then this, was it Tibby? I've sold Tibby before, but I can't remember if this is a good brand or not. Anyway, y'all, that was my box. Not too exciting. I was really hoping that they, you know, would maybe contact the Georgia warehouse and let them know they sent me the wrong box, and maybe this box would be filled with a couple more better items, but the majority of this box was Target. I will put how many items, I'll put a number here, how many items were Target, because I feel like at least 10 were Target. A lot of these pieces I will probably bring to Play-Dohs, or I'll probably just send them back to ThredUp. Not too exciting. So long story short, if you want to hear what happened, if you care, I sent them an email basically saying, and I guess I'll do a screenshot right here. I sent them an email saying like, hey, I think you guys sent me the wrong box, because half the box was H&M and Forever 21. I also sent a video link of me opening the box, and they reached out maybe 2-3 days later and said, hey, our rescue team did review your video and we did send you the wrong box. Please send that box back. So I did have to send the other box back. If I was able to keep that box, I definitely would have been a lot more happier, because that stuff, I mean, there was a couple pieces in there I definitely was excited about because they had new tags. There was a lot more new tags, and y'all, honestly, I'm not really excited. You can probably tell this unboxing was not a very fun unboxing. Yeah, this was not exciting. Let me see if they gave me 25 pieces. Let's count just to confirm. I just counted and there were 25 pieces. To be honest with you guys, I've had a lot more luck with my Goodwill Blue Box unboxings than this. This was a $60 box. I don't think it was worth $60. I felt like the majority of these brands were Old Navy, Target, probably gonna sell for $15 if I'm lucky. Nothing special really except a couple pieces. That Lululemon bra really, really saved this box. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I won't be buying this one again. I have seen a lot of good unboxings on YouTube, but this was my second box after the first one was a complete fail. This was also, in my opinion, kind of a complete fail. So if you like unboxings, definitely subscribe to my channel. I will be doing another ThredUp unboxing. Let's see, I have a fun box. I'll be doing that one Tuesday, and it's a collab with another reseller here on YouTube that I haven't collabed with before, so I'm excited to introduce y'all to her. Until next time, I'll see y'all soon. Hopefully I wasn't too much of a Debbie Downer. Bye, y'all.